Alright, today I'm revisiting the SKS Trigger Pull. I just got a kit from a company called MCARBO. They sent me 2 springs, and let's see, they're proudly made in the USA. There's another look at their logo. So they sent me a 2.5 pound sear spring, also a 3.5 pound sear spring, and let's see, the 2 springs came in and it says SKS Trigger Spring Kit, SKS Trigger Job, SKS Accessories. This is the original. Can't really tell much by that, but it's a real easy fix. Take this thing apart, and there is the magazine release right here. There's one pin, one cross pin. You take that out, take this out, take the spring out, replace it, put it all back together, and let's see what happens. The last time I did this, I got somewhere in the area of 7.5 pounds. All right, safety off. For the first one, I'm going to use the Wheeler trigger pull scale. So that puts it under 6 pounds, just barely under 6 pounds. And the next one, I'm going to use this electronic trigger pull scale. You put that pad on the trigger and then you push on it up there. If I can get it to work. Okay, so it looks like it's on pounds. See if I can get this thing to work. It's a kind of a no-name brand. Put it on top of the trigger and give it a little push. So with this scale, I got 3 pounds, 13.2 ounces. So that's down from about 7.5 pounds. So I've lost anywhere from 1 to 1.5 pounds of trigger pull. And I think I'm going to try one more time with the Wheeler. Okay, last time with the Wheeler. It felt kind of heavy. So that was 5.5 pounds. So it looks like I lost about 2 pounds trigger pull with the MCARBO spring kit. So that's worth a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.